Hey up, how are you? Good. I'm going to do some sharpening today. Do you want to watch? This is a roll which is coming to us from the chefs at the Forest side in the Lake District, up in Cumbria there. So they're all labelled up. Derek, Bill, Clive, Andrew and Clive. Plenty to get stuck into. I'm going to get them all sharpened up and send them back to them. Simple as that. Come and have a look, eh? Pick a number between 1 and 9. What do you say? 6? 6. So if your knife's cutting like that, it's going to do out you bloody want it to in kitchen. All sharpened up, stropped, back in the little sheaths, ready to be wrapped up and shipped out this afternoon back to the Forest side. Ready for service, job done. Thanks for watching. Get me new book, Do Maintain How to Sharpen Your Knife, Scissors and Garden Tools, out on the 2nd of October. Published by Do Books. It's a bloody beauty. Bye. See ya.